Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. It's Bilal again. Today brand new printer Deskjet 2721. We are going to unbox it and I will teach you how to install ink. Let's we unbox it and see what's inside and what we have to do right after unbox. Okay, first of all you will see there is one catalog user guide over here. I don't think anyone is going to use this, and two print heads, one black and color and second one power cable, and there is no data cable inside. So if you are going to print from with your laptop or computer, you have to get it from Amazon or any other local market. So let's remove the printer from the box, and here we go. This is the printer 2721. Interviews and some laminations on it. We have to remove the lamination and then we will insert the new inks to proceed further. The thing you need to be careful about it, open the front cover, and then there are some laminations over here, plastic tapes. Remove these plastic tapes. And this plastic also. Now I will connect the power cable and then we will install the inks. Okay, here we connect the power. Here we got inks. We'll turn it on. So let's open the front cover again. This is blank sheet. Fine. This is a print head. You have to make sure there are two print heads, one black and second color. Okay, here we go, two print heads. In any kind of Deskjet printer, you have to make sure that a black print head will come on the right side and the color print head will come on the left side. And even there are some sticker over here. You have to remove this sticker before you install. So now lift it up. You can see the ink carriage is in front of you, and it's mentioned here also in the sticker down over there, black on the right side, color on the left. So this is the black ink. I will remove this tape and insert it, and this is color. Remove this tape and insert the color. Okay, right after ink cartridge installation, printer is now ready. This power light is stable now and printer is ready to copy or print. If you want to connect it with your computer, you need USB cable, and there is a wireless in the printer, so you can use wireless direct to print from your smartphone. That's it for now. Just it was unboxing video. I will make another video to teach you how to enable Wi-Fi direct and how to print documents from your smartphone. Thank you for watching. All the best.